Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday.
Good morning.
It is, say good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It is Monday. And we're going to say that it's a who that Monday because the Saints actually play tonight. Woohoo! And prayerfully they win. So let's go. We're going to do our calendar. So, okay, so here we go. So we're in the month of what? What month is this? October. Thank you, Kevin. This is the month of October. Yeah. Somebody tell me what today's date is? October the what? What date? What date? No, that's the year.
Not two. Try again.
Today is the what?
11. 12.
Today is the 12th. Today is the 12th. A 1 and a 2. Today is the 12th. So what year are we in?
There you go, Kevin. Now you can say it.
2020. 2020. That's what year we're in. 2020. And the number 12 is going to be an even number. E-V-E-N. We're not ready to go to that yet. So just wait. So, the weather today is what? Is it stormy, sunny, foggy, windy, or partly cloudy? Let's look outside. What is the weather, Kennedy? What is the weather? Daniel, can you tell me what the weather is? What is? It's sunny? Sunny.
No, it's not sunny. It's not sunny.
It is sunny. It's sunny.
It's not sunny.
What is it, Kevin?
Summer. It's foggy.
It's foggy?
Yeah, foggy.
No, it's not foggy. It's sunny.
It's summer.
So we're going to circle sunny. So, circle sunny. Come on, Kennedy, you can do it. Circle sunny. So, what is the season? Is it summer, spring, winter, or fall? What's the season?
Summer. Fall. Summer.
Fall. Good job. Fall. It is not summer. We're over with summer. Can't wait for it to come again, but we're over with summer. And look how neat I'm doing my circles. So, can somebody tell me what the temperature is outside?
I know.
What is it, Kevin?
I know.
What is it?
It's hot.
It's hot. Yes, it is hot. It's very humid outside.
It's hot.
It is hot. I cannot agree more. It is hot. So to you all at home, the temperature, it is hot outside. It is really humid. The sun is starting to beam out there now. So what kind of clothes can we wear today? Kennedy, can you give me something that we can wear today? What can we wear?
Oh, I know.
Kennedy.
Is that a jacket?
A jacket? You think? It's too hot for a jacket.
No,
think?
a
A shirt? A shirt? We can wear a shirt.
I wear shirt too.
A shirt. Kyrie, what else can we wear today, Kyrie?
Shirt.
Kennedy said shirt. What else can we wear?
Jacket.
It's kind of too hot for a jacket.
Yeah.
What about some shorts?
Pants.
Pants? Okay, we can wear pants.
Oh.
You all at home should be circling your shirt. You should circle your pants. What else, Kevin, can we wear today? What else? What else can we wear today? Kevin, what else can we wear? Shorts? You can wear shorts. Shorts. So we can wear a shirt, we can wear shorts, and we can wear pants. So yesterday was what? If today is Monday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was what? Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. It was football Sunday. And we're going to circle it. And look how I do my open circle. Circle it. Yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday, what is today? If yesterday was Sunday, what is today?
Monday.
Monday. Thank you, Kevin, for participating so well. And I know Aiden is doing an awesome job because Aiden sends his pictures in faithfully. He sends his pictures in faithfully, and I appreciate that. So tomorrow, if yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. What is tomorrow? Can somebody tell me what tomorrow is other than Kevin?
Oh,
than Kevin. Kyrie, what is this word?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. We're gonna circle our Tuesday. Look how I do that open circle when I come back. Tuesday.
Hey, Tuesday.
Tuesday. Good job on circling. Kennedy, are you circling? Sit up. Good job. So yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow, God bless you. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. And wait, kindergarten. How many days have we been in school so far? Kindergarten. You're gonna put a 3 and a 6. 36.
36.
36. 3 and a 6. And for everybody else, first through fourth, we're gonna put a 4 and a 1 because we've been in school 41 days so far. 41. 41 days.
6.
You all at home? Aiden, you should put 36 on your calendar. 36 is you've been in school 36 days. Kindergarten.
I just.
How many classroom piggyback? How many people we have in our classroom? 11. Thank you, Kyrie. 11. A 1 and a 1. Let's do that again. So we're gonna go from the top to the bottom. A 1 and a 1. And today is what? I told y'all today was what kind of day? An even day. Even. And we're going to trace our even. E. N. Today is an even day. So now we can actually use our base 10. Because we need 10 and 2 singles. So we're going to color one of these, which is 10. This is going to be our 11. And this is going to be our 12. 10. 10 plus 2 is what?
2.
10 plus 2. If we have 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2 is what? 12. Good job, Kevin. Thank you for participating. I know you got that at home, Aiden. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. And this concludes our calendar for today. We'll be coming with videos on later on. Don't forget, send your pictures. You guys are doing an awesome job.